Turn your cherished memories or brilliant ideas into eye-catching posters, and discover how easily you can do it through Walmart's photo services. First, head over to Walmart's photo website. You'll find a dedicated section for creating custom prints, and that's where we'll click on the poster option. Once you select posters, you'll be presented with a range of standard sizes. Think about where your poster will go and choose the dimensions that best fit your space. Now comes the fun part: uploading your photo. Look for the upload button and select the image you want to appear on your poster from your computer or device. After your photo is uploaded, you can use Walmart's user-friendly design tools to make it perfect. You can zoom in, reposition your image within the chosen poster size, and even rotate it if needed. Many designs also allow you to add text. Click on the text box option, type in your message, choose a font and color that pops, and place it strategically to enhance your design. Before finalizing, take a moment to review your creation. Ensure everything looks exactly how you envisioned it, from the image placement to the readability of your text. Once you're happy, simply add your masterpiece to the cart. You can then choose whether you want to pick up your custom poster at your local Walmart store, often in just a few days, or have it shipped directly to your doorstep.